Welcome to our animated guide on decimal to binary conversion. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of binary numbers and learn how to convert decimal numbers into their binary equivalents. Let's get started. Start with a decimal number. Let's take an example, say 42. Divide the decimal number by 2 and note the remainder. When we divide 42 by 2, we get a quotient of 21 and a remainder of 0. Repeat the division process with the quotient from the previous step. Dividing 21 by 2, we get a quotient of 10 and a remainder of 1. Continue dividing until the quotient becomes 0. Continuing the process, when we divide 10 by 2, we get a quotient of 5 and a remainder of 0. Dividing 5 by 2, we get a quotient of 2 and a remainder of 1. Finally, dividing 2 by 2 gives us a quotient of 1 and a remainder of 0. Reverse the order of the remainders to get the binary equivalent. Reversing the remainders, we get the binary equivalent of 42 as 101010. And there you have it. You've successfully converted the decimal number 42 into its binary representation using our step-by-step guide. We hope you enjoyed this animated guide on decimal to binary conversion. Remember, practicing and understanding this process will make binary conversion a breeze. If you have any questions or want to explore more topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos. Until next time, happy converting!